Let's measure it. Written by Emma Rose. Measurement tools. People are always measuring things. A carpenter measures the length of a board. A grocer weighs some vegetables. A baker measures a cup of milk. We use tools for measuring length, weight, and volume. Let's find out what they are and how to use them. Length. Suppose you want to make a birdhouse. You need to measure the length of the wood. Length tells how long something is. Rulers, yardsticks, and tape measures are tools we use to measure length. They are using a ruler to measure the height of the plant. One rose is about 5 inches tall. They are using a yardstick to measure the width of the poster. It is about a yard wide. They are using a tape measure to measure how many yards the board is from corner to corner. It is about 3 yards. Which tool would you choose to measure each of these? Weight. Suppose the doctor wants to know how much you weigh. Weight tells how heavy something is. Scales are tools we use to measure weight. There are many different kinds of scales. Here are a few. He is using a grocery scale to weigh oranges. They weigh more than a pound. How much do you think this bear cub weighs? How is this scale different from the others? Which scale would you choose to measure each of these? Volume. Suppose you want to make a pitcher of lemonade. How much lemonade do you think the pitcher will hold? Volume tells how much a container holds. Measuring spoons and measuring cups are tools we use to measure volume. He is making pancakes. He measures 2 cups of milk using a liquid measuring cup. They are making pizza dough. He is using a teaspoon to measure the salt. They are making biscuits. She is using a dry measuring cup to measure 1 cup of flour. Which tool would you choose to measure each of these? Now you know how to measure all sorts of things. Go get something you would like to measure with a partner. Find the right measuring tool and say, "Let's measure it." The end.